G'day, comrade subscribers. This is just going to be a quick video, relatively. I just wanted to show what arrived today from PCBWAY. So, a few things we want to do on this. It's not fully working at the moment. One possible reason could be the EPROM board. So at the moment, the EPROM board is this this thing, foot long, basically. Comprised of, as you can see, different types of, we've got PROMs, or masked ROMs, and EPROMs, 16 kilobytes, and we've got 16 1 kilobyte EPROMs. So we've got masked ROMs, we've got Tesla, so Czechoslovakian EPROMs, and we've got Soviet EPROMs, a real mixture. So there is a replacement for that, which is this one. So yeah, big thanks to PCBWAY again for helping out with this project, for doing these boards for me for free. So that's the first one. We basically, I think it looks like it goes that way. So we replaced this long board with this short one, so just a single 16K EPROM. That will then connect on, that's where that is, isn't it? Yeah, so it connects on like so. So this is, so I'm probably going to try and reuse this connector here. I think I'm going to try and reuse it anyway. I think that's probably going to be the best way to do it. So that's the first one. The second one is the SD-ROM module. So this goes on top of the case and has an SD card interface, like so. So I think that, yeah, so you can see here, actually it's going to be connecting into this. I think that's the way it goes. So we've got an edge connector there, and that will basically goes that way. Clips on top like that, and we've got our SD interface there. So that'll be like that. Take this ROM module away. Let me get the case. Okay, so case, I'm not, obviously it goes on something like that. Let me zoom out a bit. Something like that. And then it's this compartment here that this would then slot into like that. So that's, so this will be in the future, because obviously I need to get the machine working first. So one thing to do to get the machine working is to see if this is the problem. But yeah, so that'll be something I want to fix in there. The third thing is the most exciting thing. Let me get some more stuff. All right, so the next thing will be a replacement for this wonderful keyboard. So the key switches at the moment, I have cleaned the board, and maybe they're better. But the key switches, I think, were actually originally designed for telephone use, not really for hours and hours of touch typing. So what Jeramy at Jeramy's Vintage Hillbilly Shack, JVHS, he's redesigned that board to use cherry key switches. So I am eternally grateful for his patience in doing that. All right, let me just get out the plastic. Okay, got it out. So here we go. So the idea is to replace these telephone key switches with Cherry MX key switches here. Yeah, so big thanks to Jeramy for doing that. And I think Peter, who originally converted this to a schematic, an Eagle schematic that Jeramy was able to then use as a basis for this one here. So yeah, it's pretty much one for one, except we're just using cherry key switches instead. So as I say, Jeramy's done as much testing as he can on it, so hopefully it should work, but there's no guarantee. But we've got to start somewhere, don't we? So I'm just trying to, pretty much all the keys should line up. So hopefully we'll be able to Won't be able to do it this week because I'm waiting for the key switches. So I'll have to take these metal bars off, obviously. And I'll probably... This is just 7.4 logic, so I should be able to reuse those. I'll be able to put a new... Got a couple of transistors here which I might just recover. This is a 74154, which is a 4 to 16 decoder, which isn't generally available, so I might try and reuse that one at least. I'll probably have to reuse this connector here, unless I can find a an equivalent Western one. I'm not sure. So yeah, so that's quite exciting actually. I'm quite looking forward to. Well, hopefully, so it'll go like that. Hopefully I can get the computer working. It'll have a beautiful cherry key switch keyboard. So yeah, so I don't have the key switches yet, so that'll be something maybe next week we'll start on. But yeah, obviously we need to get the computer working for it to be able to show any of that. So this will probably be the first part as well. Get that done, do some more troubleshooting on this to see if it magically works. The interesting thing about this keyboard, I think, is that it outputs ASCII codes. So that might be something we can actually test. If I can get the pin out, is just to stick that into an Arduino or something, maybe. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you. So yeah, massive thanks to PCBWAY for helping with this project, and big thanks to Jeremy also for doing the keyboard. I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, let's see. Okay, that's it. Bye for now.